Look, you might be using the Brave browser and thinking you're completely safe. But the truth? There are just 3 settings. If you don't enable them, websites can distinguish you and identify you even without cookies and without an account. And the most dangerous part? These settings aren't obvious at all. And a lot of people use Brave without touching them. Stay with me for 1 minute, and I'll show you the 3 most important settings that actually make a difference, not just theory. First setting, aggressive blocking. From the 3 dots, select Settings. Brave Shields and Privacy. Then Trackers and Ads blocking. Choose Aggressive. This blocks tracking scripts, ads that contain trackers, hidden background connections, and this significantly reduces tracking. Second setting, disable WebRTC IP leak. From Brave Shields and Privacy, WebRTC IP handling policy. Choose Disable Non-Proxied UDP. Why is this important? It prevents leaking your real IP address. Very important if you use a VPN or want to hide your location. Without this option, your IP can leak. This helps protect your network identity. Third setting, prevent fingerprinting. From Brave Shields and Privacy, you'll find an option called Block Fingerprinting. Keep it enabled. Why is this important? Because websites no longer rely only on cookies. There's something called device fingerprinting that identifies you based on screen size, phone type, fonts, processor, system settings. This setting greatly reduces that. Also, right below it, you'll find Prevent Fingerprinting via language settings. Enable it as well. Why? Because even your device language can be a fingerprint. For example, Arabic plus English plus specific order. That makes your device unique. This option makes the language more generic, not unique. In the end, now tell me in the comments, were these settings already enabled? Or is this your first time hearing about them? And if you found this video useful, hit like so it reaches more people, and subscribe to the channel because there are settings far more important than these in a very important full series. I'll talk about them in the next video.